How to log in to Instacart without email code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the login page of Instacart. Here, enter your email address. After you've entered your email address in here, press on continue at the bottom. After you press on continue at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen. If the page trust your device, it will simply log into your account. If not, code will be sent. Open your Gmail, copy the code from there, and then paste it in the Instacart page, and you will be logged in without your password. And after you do this, you can simply scroll through it, order, see all the offers available as well. And this is how to log into Instacart with email code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.